I'm Lindsay, I'm the alto section leader, and today I'll be going through the parts for All Hail, our alma mater, Beethoven's Choral Fantasy, as well as John Rutter's The Lord Bless You and Keep You for the alumni concert. So just follow along in the music so you can pay attention to the dynamic markings and any other various markings we might have. And I'm just going to sing and play along in the piano, and then you can just follow along as I go. If there's an alto split, I'll go through and do the alto one first, and then I'll back up and do the alto two. Alright, so here's All Hail. I'm just going to start right where we come in the fourth measure. Mark the Lord, O host of northeastern, hark the sound of our refrain. And the boys have a line. And then we come in again. May we guard her from a stain, in whatever field the battle rages, where our joys and hopes are high. It's the red and black that flies foremost defiant in the sky. All hail northeastern, we sing in jubilee. All hail northeastern, march proudly ever free. All hail northeastern, we give salute to thee. Through thy years we ever will acclaim thy glorious destiny. You want me to go through that for alto too? It's through thy years we ever will acclaim thy glorious destiny. And then there's a long instrumental part, and then we come in again at the bottom of page 6 for the same line. Through thy years we ever will acclaim thy glorious destiny. Alto 2. Through thy years we ever will acclaim thy glorious destiny. So that's All Hail. Thank you for listening, and the other parts will be coming shortly.